Good day everyone, especially Miss Moira Abesmo. Today we will be presenting a study entitled Application of Plant Growth Promoting Rhizobacteria to Runner Beans Increases Seeds, Carbohydrates, and Protein Yields. This research was conducted by Mario Stefan, Nicolai Montiano, and Marius Mihasa. Before we begin, I would like to introduce my members, Ms. Jessa Fuentes, Ms. Kaysel Caja, Ms. Angeline Fernandez, Mr. Jelvin de Guzman, Mr. Reniel Antiga, Mr. E.G. Bidas. Now, let's explore how PGPR can help improve the nutritional yield of runner's beans. Introduction. The primary aim of this study was to assess how plant growth promoting rhizobacteria or PGPR can enhance the carbohydrates and protein content in runner beans. PGPR are beneficial bacteria that promote plant growth by improving nutrients uptake, synthesizing growth hormones, and providing disease resistance. This study is important because it explores a sustainable way to increase crop yields without relying on synthetic fertilizer.
Good day, Ma'am Moira. I am Kaysel Caja and I am going to read the objectives of the study. The study's objective was twofold. First, to investigate the impact of PGPR on the carbohydrates and protein content in runner bean seeds. And second, to assess whether PGPR treatment could be a viable alternative to synthetic fertilizer for improving crop yields.
What are plant growth promoting rhizobacteria, or the PGPR? PGPR are bacteria that live in the rhizosphere or root zone of plants. These bacteria enhance plant growth by improving nutrient uptake, producing growth hormones like auxins and cytokines, and protecting plants from pathogens. Some common PGPR strains used in agricultural practices are Azospirillum, Rhizobium, and Pseudomonas.
Experimental design. Aning study, runner bean seed were treated with different strains of PGPR, especially Azospirillum and Rhizobium. A control group was used with no PGPR application. The study measured seed carbohydrate or protein content along with other factors like plant height and overall yield. The trials were conducted in controlled field conditions to ensure accurate results.
In result of seed carbohydrate yield, one of the key findings was a significant increase in seed carbohydrate content with PGPR or plant growth promoting rhizobacteria treatment. On average of PGPR treated, plants had a 15 to 20% increase in carbohydrate yield. Especially, Azospirillum result in 18% increase and Rhizobium result in a 20% increase. This suggests that PGPR can help enhance the nutritional content of runner beans, which is important for food security.
Seed protein yield. Similarly, PGPR treatment also lead to an increase in protein content in the seeds. On average, protein levels increased by 10 to 12%. Azospirillum resulted in a 10% increase in protein while Rhizobium resulted in a 12% increase. This highlights the potential of PGPR not only to enhance carbohydrate yields but also to improve the protein content crops.
It is a statistical analysis. The results were statistically significant. The carbohydrate and protein yields in PGPR-treated plants were significantly higher than in the control group, with a p-value of less than 0.05. This supports the hypothesis that PGPR treatments can positively affect the nutritional content of runner beans.
Mechanisms of action. So how do PGPR improve seed yield? The primary mechanisms include nitrogen fixation, where rhizobium helps fix nitrogen from the air, making it available to plants. PGPR also produce plant hormones like auxins and gibberellins, which stimulates growth. Furthermore, PGPR help plants cope with abiotic and biotic stresses, contributing to overall better plant health.
The study findings suggest that PGPR can significantly improve both carbohydrate and protein content in runner beans. This provides a natural and sustainable way to enhance crop yields. Moreover, the use of PGPR in agriculture could reduce reliance on chemical fertilizers, which is beneficial for environment and long-term soil health.
In conclusion of plant growth promoting rhizobacteria treatments can have enhanced the nutritional yield of runner beans, particularly by increasing both carbohydrate and protein content. This research has significant implications for improving food security and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Future research could explore the long-term effects of PGPR on plant health and soil quality, and investigate the use of other PGPR strains or the plant growth promoting rhizobacteria strains.